Hello and welcome to this video on cryptobots. If you're looking to take your crypto trading to the next level, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about cryptobots, including what they are, how they work, and how you can use them to automate your trading and maximize your profits. So, let's get started.
So hello and welcome to Crypto World Tour with Vijay.
Cryptobots are automated trading programs that execute trades on your behalf based on predefined rules and parameters. They can be used to trade a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. The main advantage of using a cryptobot is that it can help you make trades more efficiently and effectively than you could on your own. Cryptobots work by connecting to your exchange account and analyzing market data in real time. They use algorithms and technical indicators to identify trading opportunities and execute trades accordingly. The rules and parameters for each bot can be customized to suit your trading style and risk tolerance. There are several types of cryptobots, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some of the most popular types include market-making bots, trend-following bots, arbitrage bots, and scalping bots. Market-making bots help to create liquidity by placing buy and sell orders on both sides of the order book. Trend-following bots trade based on market trends, while arbitrage bots take advantage of price differences between different exchanges. Scalping bots aim to make quick profits by buying and selling within a short period of time. Using a cryptobot has several advantages, including automation. A cryptobot can help you save time and effort by automating your trading. 24/7 trading. Since cryptobots operate 24/7, you can take advantage of trading opportunities even when you're not actively monitoring the market. Emotional discipline. Cryptobots are not affected by emotions, which can help you avoid making impulsive or irrational trading decisions. Backtesting. Many cryptobots allow you to test your trading strategies on historical data, which can help you refine your approach and improve your results. While there are many advantages to using a cryptobot, there are also some risks to be aware of. Some of the main risks include technical issues. Cryptobots can experience technical issues, such as connection problems or bugs, which can result in missed trading opportunities or unexpected losses. Market volatility. Crypto markets are highly volatile, and even the most sophisticated bots can struggle to keep up with rapid changes in price and volume. Hacking. Cryptobots can be vulnerable to hacking or other security breaches, which can result in loss of funds or other damage. When choosing a cryptobot, there are several factors to consider, including functionality. Look for a bot that offers the features and functionality you need, such as customizable trading strategies, backtesting capabilities, and real-time market data. Security. Make sure the bot you choose has robust security measures in place, such as two-factor authentication and encryption. Reputation. Research the bot provider and read reviews from other users to ensure you're working with a reputable and trustworthy provider. If you're new to cryptobots, getting started can be intimidating. However, there are several steps you can take to make the process easier. First, choose a reputable bot provider and sign up for an account. Next, connect your exchange account to the bot and customize your trading strategies. Finally, monitor the bot's performance and make adjustments as needed. There are several common strategies used by cryptobots, including moving average crossovers, Bollinger Bands, and RSI. Moving average crossovers involve buying or selling when the short-term moving average crosses above or below the long-term moving average. Bollinger Bands use a band of 2 standard deviations above and below the moving average to determine buy and sell signals. RSI, or the Relative Strength Index, measures the strength of a cryptocurrency's price movement and can be used to identify overbought or oversold conditions. Advanced cryptobot strategies can be used to further optimize your trading and maximize your profits. These strategies include using multiple indicators to confirm trades, setting stop-loss and take-profit orders, and hedging your positions. It's important to note that advanced strategies can also increase your risk, so be sure to do your research and test your strategies thoroughly before implementing them. Even the most sophisticated cryptobot requires monitoring and adjustments. It's important to regularly check your bot's performance and make adjustments to your trading strategies as needed. This can include changing your parameters, adding or removing indicators, or adjusting your risk management strategy. While using a cryptobot can be a powerful tool for automating your trading, it's important to understand the risks involved. These risks include technical issues, such as bot malfunctions or connectivity problems, as well as market risks, such as sudden price fluctuations or unforeseen events. It's important to develop a sound risk management strategy to minimize these risks. Choosing the right cryptobot provider is crucial for success. Look for a provider with a good reputation and a track record of reliable performance. Consider factors such as ease of use, customer support, and pricing. Additionally, check to see if the provider offers a demo account or trial period so you can test their bot before committing to a subscription. Customizing your trading strategy is an important part of using a cryptobot. This involves setting parameters such as buy and sell triggers, stop-loss orders, and take-profit levels. Consider factors such as your risk tolerance, trading goals, and market conditions when developing your strategy. Backtesting is the process of testing your trading strategy using historical data to see how it would have performed in the past. This can help you identify potential issues with your strategy and make adjustments before putting it into practice. Most bot providers offer backtesting tools to help you optimize your strategy. Backtesting is the process of testing your trading strategy. Emotions can be a significant challenge when it comes to trading. Fear and greed can cause traders to make impulsive decisions that lead to losses. By using a cryptobot, you can remove emotions from the equation and stick to your trading strategy without being swayed by market fluctuations. Staying up to date with crypto news and trends is essential for successful trading. Keep an eye on market news, regulatory developments, and other factors that could impact cryptocurrency prices. This information can help you adjust your trading strategy and make informed decisions. Balancing risk and reward is a key aspect of successful trading. While higher risk strategies can offer the potential for greater returns, they also come with a higher chance of losses. It's important to strike a balance between risk and reward that aligns with your trading goals and risk tolerance. Tracking your performance is an essential part of using a cryptobot. This involves monitoring your trades and analyzing your results to see how well your strategy is performing. Consider factors such as profitability, win/loss ratio, and drawdown when evaluating your performance. No trading strategy is perfect, and losses are inevitable. However, by learning from your mistakes, you can improve your strategy and increase your chances of success. Take the time to analyze your trades and identify areas for improvement. Then adjust your strategy accordingly. Finally, here are a few final tips for successful crypto trading with a bot. Do your research and choose a reputable bot provider. Develop a sound trading strategy and risk management plan. Test your strategy using backtesting tools. Monitor your bot's performance and make adjustments as needed. Stay up to date with crypto news and trends. Keep your emotions in check and stick to your strategy. Track your performance and learn from your mistakes. Balance risk and reward to achieve your trading goals. And most importantly, never invest more than you can afford to lose. In conclusion, Using a cryptobot can be a powerful tool for automating your trading and maximizing your profits. However, it's important to understand the risks involved and to take steps to mitigate those risks. Best wishes for your journey. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!